I decided to create this video to address the following comment. This will be the image that I will upload to CSM.AI. It is important to add decent resolution images to get the best results. The selected image is 1500 x 1802 pixels, which is more than sufficient for CSM.AI. The upload button is the image to 3D on the top left part of the screen. After the image has been uploaded, we can select it within the tiled section to open it. You can see a preview of the model on the left side within the 4 views. If they don't look very accurate, the resulting model can still be decent. Afterwards, you need to select the model version. If you are using the free account, you will only have access to the model version 1.2 Turbo for now. Then click on Generate, and this will create a preview mesh. After this has been processed, you can further refine to obtain the final version if you are happy with the preview mesh result. That's it. I hope you find this video useful.